Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2010 on a template Mazda MX5, the iconic MX5. This is the 2-litre petrol SE model, finished in the black metallic, and it's covered just 58,000 miles. So have a good walk round. Lovely looking MX5 Roadster with the hard top, electric hard top as well. 3 former keepers, 8 recorded services, so really good level of service history. There's also a lot of other bills and receipts for work that have been done, including the refurbishment of the alloy wheels back in 2017, Goodyear tyres that you can see. Really nice example, and of course with the 2-litre engine, which in my opinion is the one to have. So have a look inside. Clean and tidy, seats very good, bolsters etc. Nice and tidy out to the door card. Good level of trim on the SE, so you get the remote central locking. Does come with 2 keys, this one. You've got electronically adjustable door mirrors. Over to the steering wheel, you've got controls for the radio. Handbrake, cool. Not as young as I used to be. Electric windows, got some storage. 5-speed manual. Gearbox, and you've got some grippy storage here for phone, wallet, whatever. Then you've got your AUX USB, or AUX, sorry, and your 12-volt socket, air conditioning, radio CD, and then you've got your controls for the electric roof. So we'll start the car up. 58033 is the mileage. Sounds like they all do. Nice and revvy. And let's get the roof down, shall we? He says, helps if you press the release button first. See in the background, whee, she goes. Reminds you of the summer. We can live and hope that this warm weather continues. So there we are. Very straightforward layout, obviously lovely gearbox to drive with. They don't get much better, do they? I'll just release the boot. Really clean and tidy in the boot. Across the boot lid, I've had them rust here before, but all nice and tidy. So there we go, MX5 Roadster 2010 on a 10. This is the 2-litre SE, 58,000 miles, 8 recorded services, two keys, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. Our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. It was only serviced a couple of months ago, so ready to go on that score. And will obviously come with our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. I think I already said that. And finance is available from £212 a month with a 10% deposit. Now we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can also contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Nice tidy example, sensible mileage, always popular. Thanks for watching.